His muscular, shirtless frame blocked the bedroom door. She rose from the telltale rumpled sheets, naked, except for the yellow rain slicker, unbuckled black galoshes, and a red baseball cap sprouting cucumbers carved in the image of Bud Abbott on the left and Lou Costello on the right. With the words, "Make America Funny Again," stitched in rust-colored gold on the front. She was wearing goggles made of recycled Goodyear steel-belted radials, but he could still see the smokiness of her eyes through the deep treads. His voice, sounding like a two-cylinder Briggs & Stratton engine on a Sears Craftsman push mower, said, "Sweetheart, you can't go. Listen, Angel, I'm telling you, you gotta stay here. You can't leave me like all the other dames. Please, Angel, stay." She rolled her eyes and said,
Dude, I'm just going to the fridge for some water. Stop freaking out already. I'm not your mother. I'm totally gross.